Okay, guys, early morning, Yamaba Casino Resort. We got a good one. 480 bet, 2 cent denom. Let's go. First bonus on this machine. Great start. Oh, we just missed the third one. I'll take that. Keep doing that all day. Oh, another coin there would have been magic. Let's go, Buffalo. There you go. Something's happening here. 3 spins, 2 sets of coins, 3 heads. Again? Oh. Come on, make it magic, Buffalo. Number 4, Eagles are gone. Hey, that's a nice one. 6 heads down. That's 40 bucks just for the Buffalo right there. Do that again. Put some more coins out there. Let's get over 100 spins. That'd be nice. Come on, Buffalo. Okay, there's 7 and 8. Coins will be great. We got 10 spins to re-trigger. So hopefully we can do that. Okay, coins now, please. Thank you. Ah! New bonus starting now. 10 of 18. 8 heads down. Oh! A coin right there would have been magic. But hey, we'll take that. That's another 40 bucks. Gotta love that. I'm recording the video. Yeah. It's pretty good. For YouTube. Yeah. Come on, Buffalo. Let's see coins. Coins! Ah. Come on, Lady Liberties. We need to see Lady Liberty. Come on. Yes, that's a good one. That's a good one. We have 9 heads down, 15 of 23. Let's do it again. Back-to-back coins, Lady Liberty. Oh no. Come on, you can do it. No more death spins. Oh no. Oh no, it's right there. Yes! Yes, that's a good one. Number 10 on the heads, 21 and 28. Let's keep it going. There you go. That's a good one. That's a better one. Yeah, let's go. Come on, you can do it, Buffalo. Let's see some more coins. We're at 22 of 36, so... Ah! One more, we needed it. We got a cheering crew here, so it's all good. Let's go, Buffalo! Oh, there's number 11. 25 of 36 on the spins. Point, yes! Yes! Nice, yeah, that's a good one. 41 on the spins now. 11 heads down. Yes. Oh, we need sunsets. Yes. Exactly. Buffalo and Wild. We need Buffalo right there. Okay, guys, we got 11 heads down. Let's go. That's a good one. That's a good one. That's 24 times 4 right there. Let me show you. We have 11 heads down. Come on, Buffalo. Okay, number 12. 30 of 41. We need some wilds and buffalo. One more. Come on, Lady Liberty. Oh no, dead spin. We need one more head. Oh, it's right there. Uh-oh, 35 of 41. Oh, okay, there you go. That should be pretty good. Yeah. That's 72 times 2 cents. Yeah. This is a good one, guys. Okay, there we go. Point. Okay, guys, let's go, point. Yes, yes. One more. We just missed it. That's okay. 38 of 46, 12 heads. Let's go, buffalo. Wild. Yeah, coins. Or wilds, 3 wilds. It started off so good. Okay, 5 spins left to retrigger. Come on, 3 more spins. Let's go, buffalo. Coins. Yes. One more. Almost. That's okay. That's good. 6 spins left. Do it again. Oh no, where are the heads at? Oh, we missed one right there. 47 to 51. Wild wolf 3. Okay. More coins, please. More coins. Two spins coming up. Coins. We need coins right now. Oh no. Last spin. That's okay. That's a good bonus. No. That's total. 12 times 2. So that'll be 656. What a great bonus. Let's do a backup spin. And one more. Okay, we'll do one more for that. Yeah, that was a good one. I'm gonna try a $6 bet. Thank you. Wow, that was pretty nice. Love that bonus. Let's try one more here, and then, well, actually we'll go one more after that. Okay, I'll give it one more. And we'll finish it out with the max bet here on 2 cents and off. One more here. 8. Let's keep doing that here. Last one. And let's go to 5 cents. And we'll do some $6 bets. Down to 700. We'll try a $9 bet. Nope, that's not working. Let's go up here to 1 cent. Try some max bets here. Okay. Okay guys, I'll be back if I get something else.